Welcome to Review Rumble. The best bucket dolly is probably one of the most underrated yet incredibly useful tools for anyone who frequently uses 5-gallon buckets, whether for cleaning, gardening, DIY projects, or even just storing supplies, as it transforms the cumbersome task of dragging or carrying heavy buckets across various surfaces into a smooth, effortless glide, saving your back and your floors from unnecessary strain and damage. Number 5. Chemical Guy's Creeper Rolling Bucket Dolly. Meet the ultimate car wash companion. This rolling bucket dolly transforms your standard wash bucket into a mobile detailing station, making every task easier. Navigate around your vehicle with ease. Its 5 360-degree caster wheels provide smooth, unrestricted movement, allowing you to reach every spot effortlessly. Constructed from durable, reinforced plastic, it's built to withstand the weight of a full bucket. You can rely on its strength for countless detailing jobs. Designed to securely hold most standard 3.5 to 7.5 gallon buckets. It's the perfect fit for your existing car wash buckets, ensuring a snug and stable hold. Featuring 2 lockable caster wheels, it stays put when you need stability. No more unwanted rolling, just secure and steady operation. Keep your bucket within reach and reduce strain. This tool enhances efficiency, making your washing and detailing tasks more convenient and ergonomic. Join enthusiasts and professionals worldwide who trust this tool. It's engineered to improve mobility and make car washing simpler and more efficient than ever. What we like. This rolling dolly offers robust construction for durability. It also features locking casters for added stability. If you are looking for a reliable and stable option for your car detailing needs, this is a great choice. What people say. The wheels make it easy to move the bucket around. It holds a 5-gallon bucket securely and allows for easy transport. The dolly is sturdy and well-built, handling the weight of a full bucket without issue. Number 4. Grit Guard Bucket Dolly with Wheels. Tired of dragging your wash bucket around? Introducing the Grit Guard Bucket Dolly, designed to make your detailing tasks easier than ever. Equipped with 5 heavy-duty caster wheels, it glides smoothly over any surface, even cracks. 2 locking casters ensure it stays put when you need it to. This versatile dolly is compatible with most 3.5 to 6-gallon buckets. Simply use the thumb screws to secure your bucket in place. Made with durable urethane wheels and capable of holding up to 250 pounds, it's built to last. The built-in spill containment helps keep your workspace clean. Keep your tools and supplies within reach, saving you time and energy. It's perfect for car washing and many other tasks like painting or masonry. Add a lid to create a rolling seat for low-level work, or connect 2 for an efficient wash and rinse system. It's the ultimate mobile solution. What we like. This dolly is designed to fit a wide range of bucket sizes and includes built-in spill containment. You can even add an optional lid to create a rolling seat. If you need versatility and bucket compatibility and appreciate the convenience of a multifunctional accessory, this is the one for you. What people say. The wheels make it easy to move around. It holds a 5-gallon bucket securely. The dolly is sturdy and well-built. Number 3. Grit Guard Bucket Dolly with Wheels. Tired of dragging your heavy wash bucket around? Introducing the Grit Guard Bucket Dolly, designed to make your detailing tasks easier than ever. Equipped with 5 heavy-duty caster wheels, it glides smoothly over any surface, even cracks. 2 locking casters ensure it stays put when you need it to. This versatile dolly securely holds buckets of various sizes, from 3.5 to 6 gallons. Its robust design supports up to 250 pounds, offering exceptional stability. Navigate your workspace with ease thanks to its durable urethane wheels. The convenient locking feature guarantees your bucket remains exactly where you position it. Keep all your essential tools and supplies within reach, saving you time and energy. It's perfect for car washing and a multitude of other tasks. Add a lid to create a comfortable rolling seat for low-level work. You can even set up a dual bucket system for enhanced efficiency. What we like. Featuring durable urethane caster wheels that handle cracks and debris with ease, this cart also boasts a high weight capacity. It's also a multi-purpose cleaning cart. If you need a heavy-duty option that can handle rougher surfaces and a variety of tasks beyond just car washing, this is an excellent selection. What people say. The wheels make it easy to move the bucket around. It fits a standard 5-gallon bucket perfectly. The dolly is sturdy and holds the bucket securely. Number 2. 5-gallon black plastic bucket dolly. Introducing our heavy-duty bucket dolly, engineered with 6 evenly spaced swivel casters. This design provides unbeatable balance, preventing tipping, wobbling, or spills even with a full bucket. It's specifically designed to hold buckets securely in place, keeping your workspace clean and safe. This makes it ideal for liquids, chemicals, and detailing supplies. Experience smooth 360 degrees movement with 6 non-marring swivel casters. It provides effortless movement across various surfaces, perfect for car washes, paint shops, and maintenance work. This dolly is designed to fit standard 5 and 6-gallon pails. It supports up to 75 pounds of weight with easy rolling performance. It's great for automotive detailing, floor cleaning, painting, or food service applications. Use it anywhere you need to move heavy buckets safely and easily. What we like. This dolly stands out with its ultra-stable 6-caster design, guaranteeing no tipping or spilling. It's specifically designed for a universal 5-gallon fit. If stability and spill prevention are your top priorities, especially when dealing with liquids or chemicals, this is the ideal choice for a clean and safe workspace. What people say. The wheels make it easy to move around the garage. It holds a 5-gallon bucket securely and rolls smoothly. This dolly is very sturdy and well-built, making it easy to transport paint cans. Number 1. CNQLIS 5-gallon bucket dolly. Introducing the CNQLIS 5-gallon bucket dolly, engineered to securely transport your standard 5-gallon bucket. This robust dolly with wheels can handle up to 75 pounds with ease, ensuring reliable performance for your heavy-duty tasks. Our unique cross straps firmly secure your bucket, effectively preventing tipping and spills. This secure design ensures safe transport, especially when dealing with muck buckets and liquids. Experience superior steering with 5 360 degrees swivel casters that allow for easy navigation around corners and through tight spaces. Its stable base makes it perfect for tasks like car washing and detailing. Crafted from high-quality plastic and metal, this bucket cart is lightweight for easy portability without compromising strength. It's built to withstand daily use, offering long-lasting performance. This versatile mobile dolly simplifies moving water containers and heavy buckets anywhere. It's ideal for countless tasks, including gardening, painting, car washing, and industrial jobs. What we like. This option includes unique anti-tipping cross straps for exceptional security and offers effortless maneuverability with its 5 casters. It's also lightweight yet durable. If you need maximum security for your bucket and appreciate easy steering in tight spaces, this dolly is perfect for a variety of tasks from gardening to construction. What people say. This bucket dolly is a game-changer for anyone who uses 5-gallon buckets regularly. It makes moving buckets so much easier, especially when they are full. The wheels on this dolly are sturdy and roll smoothly over various surfaces, including concrete and grass. It's a well-designed product that holds the bucket securely. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.